The crocodilians are perfect killing machines, combining ancient patience with explosive power.
They belong to the Order Crocodilia, an evolutionary branch that has remained largely unchanged. They are the closest living relatives of the dinosaurs.
This skin is not just armor, it's a heat sink, helping them regulate their body temperature under the intense sun. They inhabit every continent except Europe and Antarctica, found in swamps, rivers, and coastal brackish waters.
Physiology. This basking behavior helps them dissipate heat effectively by cooling the sensitive membranes inside their mouths.
Their reaction time and bite force are unparalleled in the modern world. They ingest stones, called gastroliths, which help grind food in the stomach and act as ballast for deeper dives.
Crocodilians are long-lived, with many larger species potentially surviving 70 to 100 years, becoming the venerable elders of their ecosystems.
They can feel the tiniest vibrations in the water, even in complete darkness. Though slow on land, they can sprint at speeds up to 25 miles per hour for short bursts.
Versatility. This stance helps them cover longer distances more efficiently without overheating.
As cold-blooded reptiles, crocodilians rely entirely on their environment for temperature control, making basking a life-sustaining necessity. This aggregation creates a crocodile hole, a vital lifeline for countless other species.
Lungs. Crocodilians possess a unique lung mechanisms.
Ambush. The attack is over in a flash, giving the prey no chance to react.
Specialized feeding. Lacking the ability to chew, this powerful maneuver is their only method for dismembering large prey.
Despite their ferocity, crocodilians exhibit surprising and dedicated parental care.
Their jaws, strong enough to crush bone, are gentle enough to transport their young.
Sex is determined by nest temperature, a crucial ancient evolutionary strategy.
This extended guard period is necessary due to the low survival rate of young crocodilians.
Crocodilians have a complex social hierarchy, using ritualized communication to avoid unnecessary fights.
Opportunism. They are experts at capitalizing on any feeding opportunity, even unexpected aerial targets.
Crocodilians can hold their breath underwater for hours when resting, or around 15 minutes when actively pursuing prey.
Tough prey. Heavily armored prey like turtles can present a formidable challenge even to the crushing power of a crocodile's jaws.
Salt glands. They aren't crying. They are excreting excess salt from their bodies, a key to surviving in marine environments.
There are 28 species within the Order Crocodilia. They are categorized into 3 families.
Family 1 Crocodilidae. The true crocodiles, tending to live in brackish or salt water, widely distributed globally.
The world's largest reptile, routinely exceeding 6 meters, and the most aggressive species.
They can swim hundreds of miles out to sea, perfectly adapted to marine conditions thanks to their salt glands.
They are the terror of African megafauna, responsible for the largest attacks on land mammals.
Though coexisting with the American alligator, This species is less common and generally shyer.
Family Alligatoridae includes alligators and caimans. They predominantly live in freshwater. They are more cold tolerant than true crocodiles, surviving frozen surface water by keeping their nostrils exposed.
Species 5, Black Caiman, the South American giant, the apex predator of the Amazon, rivaling the saltwater crocodile in sheer size.
Apex predator. It preys on fish, turtles, and occasionally large mammals along the riverbanks.
The smallest. This species reaches only about 1.5 meters in length, one of the smallest crocodilians.
Family 3, Gharialidae, consists of 2 species, the most famous being the Gharial.
Its slender snout and sharp teeth are perfectly designed for catching fish, not large mammals. This growth amplifies the mating call and serves as a sexual identifier.
This species has a long, thin snout, similar to the gharial, but is slightly broader.
Species 9, Mugger crocodile. They are one of the few crocodiles known to dig deep burrows for extended dry periods.
The Siamese crocodile is one of the most critically endangered species, nearly extinct in the wild across Southeast Asia.
Hope for this species lies in captive breeding and reintroduction programs.
Scavenging crocodiles often rely on other large animals and scavenged remains to sustain themselves, maintaining the nutrient cycle.
The ability to survive in both fresh and salt water is a massive evolutionary advantage for travel and dispersal. The dramatic difference in size demonstrates the immense habitat and dietary diversity within the order Crocodilia. In total, there are 28 species of crocodilians worldwide, from the immense saltwater crocodile to the primary threats remain habitat loss, pollution, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear. During the 20th century, many species were hunted to the brink of extinction for their valuable skin and meat.
Many species have been pulled back from the brink through successful breeding and nest protection programs.
The recovery of many crocodilian populations stands as a true conservation success story. Crocodilians are ancient creatures, holding a crucial place in balancing freshwater and brackish ecosystems by regulating fish and other wildlife populations. The reign of the surviving jaws continues, a testament to the power of adaptation across millions of years.
We must ensure that these reptilian kings continue to rule in the modern world.